Welcome back guys to another video. In this video we're going to look at the stock JD.com, JD, and we're going to look at this chart and see whether it's a buy or a sell or a hold at this price level. And we will be also looking at a couple of calls for this stock, and I will also look at one more surprise stock at the end of the video. So let's get started. So before we move on, this is our website. Please check it out when you get a chance. Please check out all our social media sites. We are everywhere. We love to see you guys there. And please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. And I'll be doing a lot more videos on many stocks and other things in coming days and weeks. So here is a tracker linker for JD.com. I believe it's offering an entry price around $62.78. So your minimum buying price would be $62.78 and the maximum buying price would be $65.92. That is our zone. And the stop loss is around $57.76. So whenever the stock posts a loss below $57.76, it will be get closed and we will move on to our next position. So before we look at the profit loss calculator, let's look at this chart and see why it is offering a buy point at this price level. So as you see, this stock offered like a many entry point around this 10-week moving average all along from since last August. So this is the weekly setting for JD.com. I like the weekly settings because it's not reduces a lot of daily noise, and the two indicators that I follow is the 10-week moving average and the 50-week moving average. So this stock always found support at its 10-week moving average all along. So it's offering entry point here, here, and here. So now it came down a little bit last couple of weeks and found support at the 10-week moving average. That is the reason I believe this is offering a buy point around 62.78. So here is a quick profit loss projection table for you. So if the stock posts losses 8% loss at any time, it will get closed. If the stock posts almost 5% gain by August 17, it will be still keep in an open position. So this stock should at least put 20% gain by October 19th. So that is a very high level projection for you guys to know track of it. As we see the projection, so let's look at a couple of calls for this guy. So the October call kind of reasonable for this guys, as $65 a reasonable price to achieve, but it rallied quite a bit today. So you may want to give a couple of days for this stock to know how it moves. If it's cooled down a little bit and the price comes down, you may want to consider it. But as of today, that calls got exploded. So you may want to look at November or December call as well. But let's give like a couple of days for this stock to know how it's going to react. And if the price comes down, you can always get into some of these calls. So I believe JD.com is a buy at this price level. So let's look at the surprise stock. So the surprise one is Microsoft. It is entered to the tracker at $324 when it was trading around $100.48, 148 rather, and as of today it's closed well over 203 and it's posting almost 37% gains since then. And it offered a couple of entry points along the way, one on May 5th, another on June 5th around 185 price level, and as of last week it is offering a buy point around $200 to $210. So it's still trading within the buy zone. So this stock now worth you guys take a look at it. So let's look at this chart. So here is a chart for Microsoft. As you see, it's added to the tracker when it found support at the 50-week moving average, and it's offered a secondary entry point right here, and as of now it came down. It found support last week at its 10-week moving average again. So that is the reason it's offering a secondary entry point. And you can look at October 205 call. It's still trading within a reasonable price, but you guys can take a look at it, and hopefully this sucker rally from this point onwards. Okay guys, that's all guys. I still see that JD.com and Microsoft has a lot more room to run. So let's see this stock now how it behaves in coming days and week. And please check out our website. All the information is recorded there. You can check it out at any time. And please check out all our social media sites. And please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll be doing a lot more videos on many stocks in coming days and weeks. And have a great week.